Girls, is it moving day tomorrow?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Huh? You guys are going to miss each other, huh?
Yeah.
Maybe you want to lay down? Okay, let's do 1, 2, 3 cheese again, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, cheese! Oh, that wasn't very good. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, cheese! Good girl. Do you guys want to give each other a kiss? Give each other hugs and kisses. Hallie, can you give Navy a kiss? Give kisses. Oh, you're so sweet. Oh, your nose? Should we blow your nose? Oh, gross. Oh, no. Ew. Is Navy silly? Hey, Navy. Navy, you want to sit down in the box? Is that how you feel about Hallie's kisses? Oh, Navy, are you spitting?
Yeah.
Want to get out? Out? Do you need help? Can you say bye?
Bye.
Say love you.
Later.
Say love you, Navy. I'm going to miss you.